Welcome to the Wolver channel, your passport to crypto superstardom. Are you prepared to transform your wildest crypto ambitions into tangible success? Say goodbye to the ordinary and dive headfirst into our guide on crafting tokens with unyielding determination and expertise. In just a few minutes, we're going to demystify how to bring forth your very own token onto any blockchain universe. No prior knowledge necessary, no room for excuses. Just stick to these steps as if they're life-saving instructions, and let's conjure crypto magic together this instant, my friends. Step 1. Remixeth the ignition point. Without delay, open up your browser and make your way over to remix.eth. This is where the crypto adventure truly begins for you. Step 2. Forge your token file. The foundation you'll stand on. Create a fresh new file and name it something like, quote, mytoken.sol. That .sol extension carries immense weight here, brother. Step 3. Incorporate your contract code. The game plan for success. Not have a contract ready? Fear not. Shoot me a message on Telegram, links below, and I'll deliver a tried and tested contract that fits your crypto odyssey like a glove. Step 4. Compile that creation. Transforming words into legend. Navigate to the Solidity Compiler tab. Select the right version and hit the compile button. When you see green, you know you're on the winning track, man. Step 5. Get your token. Living on the blockchain, making your vision a living breath. Sync your wallet, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, any compatible one. And pick your preferred network, Ethereum, BSC, Polygon. Choose where your heart leads you. Set that gas fee at an optimal price and waybots. Input those vital token details. Choose a name that's as fierce and unforgettable as your ambition. Decide the destiny of your tokens with total supply. Symbolize strength and impact with just a few keystrokes. And voila, hit deploy. Let's forge crypto history together right now. Final step. Claim your creator status. You are the token maestro. Got that contract address? Add the token in your wallet. Instantly, you've become the creator of your cryptocurrency masterpiece. If today's session hit a chord within you, press that like button on this video to power up the Wolver channel. Subscribe for more potent insights and strategies that pave the way to success. Flip on those notifications so you never miss an edge-cutting update from our camp. Need the code? Move swiftly. Reach out to me over on Telegram now, links below, and grab that smart contract code in your hands, ready for immediate action. The time is yours. Your future is being shaped at this very moment. Start building, start dreaming bigger than ever before. The crypto frontier awaits your arrival.